So we're doing another tech review, and I've been waiting for this parcel because I've, like you've just seen the other tech review where I bought a Nintendo Switch, the Monster Hunter Edition, and I want to stream it, so I bought something that I really wanted, and I've been wanting for quite a while. So I'm just going to rip this Amazon parcel because I don't care. It is the Elgato. Okay, I'm just going to throw this away. The Elgato HD60S Plus. Now I need this to record the Nintendo Switch. So basically I have done two tech videos today. The Nintendo Switch that I literally got, and then this, what I just got delivered. I've been waiting for this, so that's why I haven't hooked up my Nintendo Switch yet, because I've been waiting for this. So let's open this, and I want to show you the stuff that's inside it. So let's go. Oh, you gotta love when you get the packages. It feels like Christmas, and I've got to open these things. I don't even have, oh no, I don't have, oh wait, I do have a pair of scissors. I apologize. I do have a pair of scissors. I forgot they was in there. I was using them last night for something. Cutting up tape. Because you know, you gotta cut up tape. Right, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Which we probably already know what's inside, but we need to check it. You never know, people steal parcels today. Right, there you go. You gotta trust Elgato. Elgato knows how to stream, and they've also got a YouTube channel to help you out for everything. So here we go. God, that's a bit bendy. So this little boy here, this little bad boy here, will record everything that I do on my Nintendo Switch. It's kind of amazing, and it has a light as well. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty cool. It's got a code, which you know, it is good. I'll put it there. It comes with a sticker. You've always got to love these stickers. I might put that on, slap it on me in a minute or so. Comes with a little pamphlet of instructions. You know, some glorious stuff there. I don't know what else it comes. So this is what I didn't know if it came with. I knew it came with a HDMI, but I didn't know if it came with one of these. But it does, luckily, because it does have a, where is it? A Type-C there. And then basically this Type-C goes into there, and then the USB 3.0 will plug into your computer, and then this, I think, will plug into the TV. Okay, so I have got the Elgato here, I've got the Switch dock here, so let's figure this out and use our big brain of ours and try and figure it. So we need to open this thing. So this is the Type-C to USB 3.0, which you'll plug into the Elgato at the back of the import. It also has got kind of like a jack for some reason, so I'm guessing you can listen to it or something. Suspicious. Like I say, I'm kind of new to streaming all this stuff, so you know, any help will be grateful, which is good. You know, you gotta have help. Internet's always there for you. So the thing about this though, it's good because it's Type-C. Type-C is amazing. So literally it could be upside down or anyway, because it will plug in anyway, which is good. So you plug that into there. God, that's a tight fit. That is a tight fit. And then this will be plugged into the back of the PC. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there. I'm not plugging it into the PC just yet because I'll do all that off screen because it's a bit crazy, my setup at the minute. Right, okay, so the next one is the in. So this dock is already got a USB, which it comes with the Switch. So that will plug straight into the in port, which is here. If you can check there. Boom. Okay. So we've got the console HDMI connected to the in port. The Type-C is in the import that will connect to your PC, and then there's this HDMI that will be connected from the out port to your monitor or television. So let's all set this up, because if not, I'm gonna go crazy and I don't know what like, if you've seen my setup at the minute, this is temporary, and when I move into the new location, I am gonna have a lot of wires to move. Yeah. It hurts thinking about it. My brain hurts. Like, I am not joking. It hurts. Hey guys, welcome back, and the Elgato works perfectly fine. I hooked it up, it is there, and I can show you right now on my OBS that it is recording it. I've made a new group scene called Nintendo Switch, so it's got my camera in, it's got my alerts in, and it's got the Nintendo Switch what it's recording. At the minute I am downloading Monster Hunter Rises again, because, you know, you have to download it. And I've got this Elgato sticker on there because Elgato is amazing. I am not sponsored by them. I wish I was, maybe in the future, but I have the Elgato Light. I have the Elgato camera link that I'm using now with my camera. I've got the Elgato recording thing, you know, for my console. I have got, you know what, I've got a lot of Elgato things, and they are very good for streaming. I want to get the Stream Deck eventually, but right now, you know, I'm going to chill out and save my money a bit more. But I'm going to show you that is recording Nintendo Switch. There you go. As you can see, it is recording it perfectly. Mwah! Now, so I can literally start streaming when I want to with my friends and play some Monster Hunter Rises. I'll probably be doing some later on tonight, so stay in tune. If you haven't, check my Twitch stream link down at the bottom in the description. You know, I play random games. I'll play the Switch now, or any of my consoles, because I have the Elgato HD60 S Plus, which isn't a great thing. I know it's a bit expensive on the top line, but it is decent and it works perfectly. Easy to set up. I am telling you, it is easy to set up, like seriously. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this video of the Elgato HD60 S Plus unboxing and, you know, checking it out. I'll see you guys next time. Remember, Elgato stuff is good. Remember that.